Welcome to this GED Math Booster video. Today's problem involves a little bit of number line math. Let's take a look at the problem. If the variable y is the distance between points A and D, find the value of y over 4 and plot that value on the number line. This problem may seem a little bit confusing, but the math that's necessary to solve it is not, so let's take a look. We want to subtract the value of A from the value of D in order to find Y. And that will always be true of a number line. If we're trying to find the distance between 2 points, in this case, point A and point D, we will start with the number the furthest to the right, and we will subtract the number the furthest to the left. That will give us the distance between those 2 points. So Y is equal to 5 minus -3. Now, you might recall that when we subtract a negative number, we can turn that into addition. So that means the same thing as 5 plus 3, which is the number 8. Y is equal to 8. So we've found the distance, but I want to show you another way. Maybe you prefer this method. You can count the spaces of integers between A and D in order to find the value of Y, or the distance between those 2 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. So Y is equal to 8. We get exactly the same answer, just 2 different ways of finding the distance. So let's finish this problem off and do the second part. We know the value of Y, so we can substitute that value of Y into Y over 4 and evaluate. Y over 4 equals 8 over 4, which equals the number 2. The other thing that's a little different about this problem is that there are no multiple choice answers. It's asking us to mark the value of this point on the number line. We look up at the number line and we can see here is the number 2. That's the point that we want to mark on the number line to answer this question. The key takeaway from this video is that the distance between points on a number line can be found by counting spaces. Of course, you can always subtract if you prefer, but if you're finding that difficult, go ahead and count the spaces between the 2 points, and that should give you the correct answer and the basis for finishing the rest of the problem. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful.